We wanted to exchange the seats, but those seats are 600 euros away. So we went for the retro style
That's right.
wooden beads. Because this is so nice looking now.
Also, it has this undercover.
Yes. This looks so nice.
Yeah.
I want to exchange this because it is disgusting. And my side has some problems retracting.
All straight.
So I went on the internet and got this.
New one.
A complete set.
Okay.
Now let's see how difficult this is. I'm expecting not that much.
We need to remove this cover.
I think that is not the cover, that is actually the whole mechanism inside.
Okay.
So we have 4 bolts, this bolt and this bolt. And I think we got all of them new. And we are going to exchange this because it is also disgusting.
This.
Yes, it's a little bit different style, but it will fit. And since we got JIS bits, this is JIS number 3, I think. And that was way too easy for something that holds you in a car crash. Holds you. This is a samurai. Now give me my screwdriver. My bit driver. What does this have? Some sort of a... Okay, this is M6, really? I think this is going to be disgusting.
Okay. Reveal is coming soon.
What?
Reveal coming now. Let's see. Oh, what?
Not that bad.
There's
We can clean this.
a little house in there.
Yeah, we can clean this.
A little bit
Okay,
yellow,
okay,
but
okay.
Okay, not that bad.
Okay, not that disgusting. Now I would say a 17, but since this is a Japanese card, it's probably a 16. Am I correct? No, smaller. No, it cannot be 14. It's 14.
Okay. But now you detach the whole
Yes.
rod. Oh, okay.
That rod is what is holding you, not this. This is going back. And that is why when we built this abomination, I said this is the strongest part of the car and that this is important.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going smoothly.
Yeah, don't look this part, please.
Why? This part?
Yeah.
We don't talk about that.
Yeah.
And I will remove this thing while I am here.
So yeah, at the moment the passenger seat is completely unsafe.
Safety is just in your mind. Wait, is this duct tape?
Yes.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No. I think it's not even duct tape, it's just some kind of cheap tape.
Seriously? Why? I mean, it's built in 2021.
Oh,
This is a new one.
really?
This is the old one. See? Different
Ah,
style.
this is the new one.
This is the new one, yeah.
Oh, okay, but why does it have this tape?
Nope, don't know.
What the fuck?
Because it's from India and not Japan.
Ah,
Maybe one day we are going to exchange it for something more better.
God,
Let me
hell.
just exchange this bolt. This is an M10. Oh, M10. We need 2 of those. I think shorter one would be good enough. Those have the same thread. Oh, it doesn't. So we need to use the bolts that we got. But I'm going to exchange the fucking lock nut. And you all know why by now. This is 12 millimeter. We have 10 millimeter. What is this diameter? What the hell? Okay, this looks ridiculous now.
Didn't have smaller washer.
What?
You don't have smaller washer.
Yes, we do. But not in the correct diameter. This one is also too big. Wait, let me think. So, if this is an M10, this is an M12 washer. Yes, this is an M12 washer. This is an M10 washer and it goes straight through. And this is not going through.
Interesting.
Why you no church? And this washer goes through. This is the same as this one. Yes. Very interesting. That's some kind of strange size. Very interesting. Never mind, we are going. Do we have 11 millimeter drill? We don't. Okay, we are going to use these big washers. We need 2 of those. The old one had this plastic washer so it can move against the car. We're going to reuse that because I do not have anything similar and it's much thicker than this thing. So a humongous washer, this and this apparently. And I do not have torque specifications for this. And I could not find it, so we're gonna make it tight enough. But this is fine thread, so... Oh, where is my wrench? Good enough.
Okay. Let me see.
But we're turning the whole bolt with this. That is not optimal.
No.
You know what are we going to do? Put it like this. And then we are going to do something completely ridiculous and find 2 axial bearings. Let's go clean this. I'm not expecting this, but this seems reasonable to have.
Okay. It's just discolored.
Yeah, it's just old. Just wants to stop and take a rest.
Decompose.
Oh, that won't happen for another 10,000 years. Good. Now let's just clean the mating surfaces.
I know I'm 12, but whenever you say mating surfaces, it's so funny to me.
I love you. Just because it's funny to you. There we go. Look at what it did
Oh no.
over the years. New one. How are we going to attack this problem? I say we go top first. We also need to exchange this stupid.
Where is this from? Also India.
Yeah, everything is from the same place.
Oh. Did it came together?
Yep. They came as a pack. But I did not notice the foil there. Okay, so this is just what? Holding this in. Okay. Let me go get some washers. Now, how are we going to assemble this so it looks very nice and functions nicely?
Same as it was.
If we put that washer instead of here,
I really like big washers.
yes. This one goes first, then it goes, then this sleeve goes in. And can this be attached to this washer? It should be able to, okay. And then another enormous washer. And then another enormous. We have 3 washers here.
Is this okay?
Yeah. Everything's gonna be fine, don't worry. And let's be honest, in a crash, this is just for good luck. Okay, so this has some sort of some play. I think everything is click.
Is it movable?
Yes, it will be, but this,
Doesn't fit now.
yes. Do we want it to fit?
Yes.
Why?
Well, it's original car.
Yes, I know it's an original car. I know why we don't want it to fit. First, it looks cool. Second, you will not see it, the goddamn bolt coming off. You're simplifying things. Where's the new bolt? So this and this goes here through the sleeve. Okay, this can move freely. That is what we want. And we have another one that goes behind this. Okay. Click. Oh, come on, are you really that sensitive? So now I need 4 M6 bolts. They're not going to be stainless steel. Hold, please. So 4 standard M6 bolts, M6 by 20. And we are not putting stainless steel because these are stronger than stainless steel. Yeah, this is standard pitch.
They are very shiny.
Yes, they are.
Wow, can't wait for
Click.
this ride. With new seat covers and new seat belts.
Click. Oh, I could have put click the bolts from the other side and then put lock washers on this side. Click. Oh, for fuck's sake again. We have a sleeve. This is going out, and this is going in. Oh, it's locked, seriously, already.
Wow.
I lost everything now. A sleeve goes in, and where's my washer? And the washer. I think this is the first time we're actually using the bolt that we got. Click.
Okay.
And this was here. This is so old school, you can adjust it.
Yeah. Cool. Click.
Oh.
That's my hair.
Already.
Yeah.
And that is how you exchange the samurai seat belts.
Excellent.
I think it's excellent too.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so now we will do the same on the other side.
It's the same thing. You don't need to watch.
Yeah. It's so funny. This bottle is lurking all the time. Like, hey, what you doing? What you doing there? Can I see? Okay, back to you. You need to clean this.
I know. I'm going to clean everything now. Thank you for watching.
Bye!